Well, this is for the computer repair guy. He wanted me to honk the horn. I'm in my cowgirl boots. Do you see them? No socks. And he wanted me to pretend that I couldn't honk the horn. So here it is. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Let me go down the road and say the same thing. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. I'm sure you wanted me to do some extreme honking videos, so keep watching for those. We will have those too. Bye-bye now.